Hello everyone, it's Monophthongs. Today I'm going to teach you monophthong sounds. So get the ball rolling. The first one, E. E, for example, sit, sit. The next one, E. E, for example, sit, sit. The next one, U. U, for example, pull, pull. The next sound, ooh, ooh. For example, pull, pull. The next word, oh, oh. For example, job, job. The next sound, oh, oh. For example, more, more. The next sound, a, a. For example, men, men. The next sound, a. For example, man, man. And the next one, uh. For example, about, about. The next sound, uh, uh. For example, much, much. The next sound, uh, uh. For example, march, march. The last one, uh, uh. For example, hurt, hurt. And that's all for me. Thank you. Please follow my Facebook page. Thank you. Yeah.
Learning with Nafiu.